For AHEC and the American hardwood industry, the Maggie's Cancer Care Centre in Oldham is a very significant step in the journey that we began over 5 years ago now to bring hardwood CLT to the marketplace and turn it into a commercial reality.
DRMM architects were the pioneers of cross-laminated timber construction in the UK. For this project, we're introducing cross-laminated hardwood as a new material. So the prototype was the Endless Stair project with AHEC.
Alex's experimental project in 2013 was such an extraordinary structure. It was the seedbed, and having done a number of experiments, this is now the first permanent structure.
Maggie's buildings are generally sited within hospital environments, so they'll offer a part of the campus. We made a proposal to make a garden for the whole hospital, over which our building would be sited like a kind of treehouse. You could say the building is a kind of manifesto for timber, and the engineered tulip wood in this case forms all of the walls and structure. And the advantage of tulip wood CLT we have discovered over conventional softwood CLT is that it's stronger, but it's also lighter and you can use thinner profiles.
Tulip wood CLT just has this really nice quality to it. It's like a piece of furniture, not so much like a normal building material, and it's got this really lovely warm quality. And we've tried to use it as much as possible. Even the ceiling boards are offcuts from the CLT manufacturing process.
These CLT walls are a key part of the structure of the building, but they're also automatically then the decorative appearance that you see all around you. Very striking.
We've also developed thermally modified tulip wood as the cladding, and we're quite proud of that because we developed the profile ourselves from scratch. This idea of having a sort of wavy curtain on the outside which gives the building a sort of softness.
All the Maggie's buildings are particularly interesting. They invite architects to try and define what they call the architecture of hope. It happened to coincide for me with a very close friend being diagnosed with cancer, and this is something that has been very hard and difficult, but also has informed the project a great deal. One of the side effects of chemotherapy is hands and feet are very sensitive. So one of the reasons why timber was used so extensively in this project is simply because it's warm to the touch.
The building itself has a very therapeutic nature through the design and use of materials and the light and the sky and having nature right at the heart of it.
As you enter it, you're blown away by a massive void, if you like, at the heart of the building, and this brings the outside in.
We've also used wood fibre insulation, so it's really breathable and very low toxin, so it's a healthy building.
What we've made is a very succinct, I think, and convincing argument that you can make buildings entirely out of timber and glass.
This project is a permanent reference, so architects can come and look at it, see how it's performing over time, and it might, I hope, change the thinking about our public structures like hospitals, and it's very exciting.